In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a 2D character and convert it to a 3D character. First, I will show you how to draw 2D face very easily. First, draw a circle and using direct selection tool, adjust the shape of the face. And then download the skin color shade chart from Google, and next add the gradient to the face. There is an option as radial gradient. For the face, use radial gradient option. For the gradient, use a darker shade than a lighter shade. For inside of the face, use a lighter shade, and outside of the face, use a darker shade. Now we are going to draw the eyes. First, draw a circle and next adjust the shape of the circle using direct selection tool. Then draw eyelashes using pencil tool. And change the shape using uniform. First, copy and paste and double the eye. Then reflect the eye using vertical direction and 90 degrees. For draw the nose shape, first draw a circle and next adjust the circle, use direct selection tool, and next add the gradient, same gradient what you use for the face to the nose also, and adjust it little bit to highlight the nose. For draw the mouth, first draw a circle and follow the method what I have used for draw the mouth. And next change the stroke size to get the mouth shape. And also you can use uniform to create the more beautiful mouth. Now we are going to draw the ears. First draw a circle, then apply the gradient effect using eyedropper tool. Then adjust the shape of the ear using direct selection tool. Now we want to backward the ears. For do that, right click and arrange and click send to back. Now you can copy and paste the ears. Now we need to draw the neck. For do that, use rounded rectangle tool and apply the gradient effect what we use for the face and adjust the gradient Next, draw the hair using pencil tool. Now it's time to draw a cloth to the girl. For do that, draw a circle and next add the color you want to add to the dress and adjust the cloth shape using direct selection tool. Now I want to add a flower to the dress. For do that, draw a one petal and next use repeat tool. We can draw the full flower. For do that, go to object, repeat and select radial repeat. Now we are going to add the 3D effect to the girl. For do that, go to window and activate the 3D and materials. Then you can see a dialog box like this. To add the 3D effect to the eyes, first group all the parts in the eyes together, then click the inflate. Use the values what I use here and select the preset as front. Use the material as base material, and for the lighting use standard lighting or what best for you. Here I am going to use standard light. And next add the 3D effect part wise. Now you know how to convert 2D character to a 3D character very easily. I hope this video will help you to improve your knowledge. If you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel.